is this?
That is a bright, bright light.
It's coming.
Oh, it just exploded.
Whoa!
What the hell?
That is so cool.
I don't know what it is, but if it's going to be the end, we're going to check it out.
We're gonna have a fun little show.
Oh my God.
Are we about to be abducted?
I don't know, but
That's like a rocket launching off, but that light cloud
yeah,
is
I mean,
huge.
what the hell is
It is
that?
it's massive.
Oh my god, you see the blues, the green?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
This is something else.
Holy crap.
Chemtrails.
Right?
And
was
you
the
can kind of
craziest
see
thing.
the speck,
Yeah.
but this is...
That was so weird.
I wonder if I could take a